So we are making the cheek. This is a cheek. And here the leg. 1, 2, 3, 1. Here 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. This is small cheek. How looks this cheek? Make little design like this. And I want to draw one more small cheek talk to his sister. See, I just draw like this.
So,
Yes.
do we have to draw it?
No, no. Only one. One cheek is enough.
So, do we have to draw it?
No, no, no need to draw this one. It's I just draw how to.
So, we don't have to draw this one, right?
Yes, better. No need to draw. You just watch. I go to the next drawing after that. I go to the next drawing. 1 minute, okay? One student are joined late. They are start the drawing now. So that's why I wait little. 2 minutes. Can you wait 2 minutes, beta? See, I make this. He is talking with his friends. Just like a chick, how, and they're eating something small, small seeds like this. How to draw chick. The next drawing, I show you how to draw the, you know, how to draw, how to shading. Okay, next drawing is shading. Shading start from the last week. I show the shading fruits. Today I show the shading what? Any pot? Is it okay? Pot, pot. I just have pot. Okay, mud pot.
So, could you wait for a minute, sir?
Yes, I wait. I wait for a minute. Next art shading. And shading is very interesting. I love to draw shading.
Sir, is this okay?
Yes, it's this
Sir, my camera is not working, I think.
is yeah, it's
No, all my cameras are working.